Step-by-step guide to perform Umrah. Hello everyone, today I am going to guide you through the step-by-step process of performing Umrah. Umrah, also known as the minor pilgrimage, is a non-obligatory Islamic pilgrimage that can be performed at any time of the year. It is a spiritual journey to the holy city of Mecca in Saudi Arabia, and it is considered to be a powerful way for Muslims to connect with their faith and renew their commitment to God. Here are the steps for performing Umrah. 1. Obtain a visa. In order to enter Saudi Arabia, you will need to obtain an Umrah visa. This can be done through a travel agency or through the Saudi Arabian consulate in your home country. 2. Perform the intention. Before beginning the journey, it is important to make the intention, Niyyah, to perform Umrah at the specific place called Meeqat, which represents the boundary of Haram. This is done by saying I intend to perform Umrah in your heart or verbally and performing 2 Rakahs of Nafil. 3. Enter the state of Ihram. Men should enter the state of Ihram by making the intention of Umrah and before that performing the ghusl, full body purification, putting on the Ihram garments, a white, seamless 2-piece garment, and then reciting the Talbiyah, a statement of intention to perform Umrah. While women can be in their usual clothing, keeping in mind to cover themselves in modest way. 4. Perform the tawaf. Upon arrival at Mecca, the first ritual of Umrah is the tawaf, which is the circumambulation of the Kaaba 7 times in a counterclockwise direction starting from the Black Stone, Hajar Aswad, and ending at the same point. 5. While doing the tawaf, you can recite any dua for the betterment of this Niyyah and akhirah. 6. After completion of tawaf, perform Nafil. You should pray 2 rakahs in front of Maqam Ibrahim if possible and drink Zamzam water as a sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. 7. Perform Sa'i. Then there is a Sa'i which is walking back and forth between the hills of Safa and Marwa 7 times, which is a sunnah of Hazrat Hujra. 8. Perform the halak. Next, the halak, which is the cutting or shaving of the hair, is performed by men. For women, they just need to cut at least 1 inch of their hairs. 9. Perform the farewell tawaf. Finally, the farewell tawaf is performed before leaving Mecca. 10. It is always good to visit Prophet Mosque at Medina after your Umrah to say salam to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It is important to note that there are certain rules and regulations that should be followed during Umrah, such as avoiding certain acts that would invalidate the Umrah, such as hunting, cutting nails, violence. Additionally, it's also important to follow the dress code during Umrah and to avoid any actions that would be considered disrespectful or offensive in the holy city. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can successfully perform Umrah. Remember, the most important thing is to maintain a spiritual and humble state throughout the entire journey. I pray that may Allah bless everyone to perform Umrah and Hajj and visit the holiest sites of Islam. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on subscribe button to follow this channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section.